part 2, Pav's E30S54 build. Time to start buttoning things up. Thanks for your support. Like, share and subscribe if you can.
Do not follow this recommendation, okay?
Castrol?
No Castrol, guys, okay?
Really?
Trust me.
I'm not sure we can put that on YouTube, mate.
Yeah, you can. It's just that, you know, this engine is what? 15 years old? Back in the days, maybe, possibly best oil, but not anymore.
So you got a different grade oil for your engine flush.
No, the grade is the same.
It's the same.
The grade is exactly the same, has to be the same, but just a different quality, yeah? Cheap oil for engine flush.
Okay.
And expensive oil for...
And what oil are you going to put in the car? What brand are you going for the car? Did you say Valvoline?
Valvoline, yeah.
Okay.
Valvoline. There are many different oils. People have different opinions. Yeah, I like Valvoline, that's it. That's just my personal choice. I'm not saying motor is not good. Just a quick update to my E30 project. Joseph said you're gonna fit fully working cruise control into my car.
Okay.
So this is the cruise control stock in English, which is very rare. Normally they come in German. And then little plastic cover is basically ready-made for stock. You just need to cut out this piece of plastic, that's it. As you can see.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today as well.
Are you using the whole E46 loom on your car?
No, on the engine loom.
Okay.
This is the oil temperature sensor for my freshly made custom clusters, S54 clusters. I'm just gonna see if you're gonna fit in a oil housing, the oil filter housing. S54 swap E30.
Yeah.
Engine oil temperature sensor will work with ECU. Have to work with ECU. But will not work with my E30 clusters gauge, the oil temp gauge. So we have to add custom-made oil temperature sensor in the empty space in here, oil plug, which is very easy to remove. And this should be straight fit, guys. Same thread, same length. That's it. Simple as that.
So where did you get that?
The guy who made who customized my clusters back in Europe, he actually supplied the sensors all together with the clusters.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I go just simply plug and play wires, and then obviously when the engine will be running, we're gonna test it if it works or not. But it's on, guys.
Step by step.
Yeah, getting there slowly. Again, similar to oil sensors, we need a sensor for, you know, the engine temperature sensor, yeah? This one is for ECU, and this is custom-made sensor for the actually cluster gauge again. You have to be earth wired as well. This is kind of thick wire, it doesn't have to be thick as it is, but that's what I used at the time. Couldn't bloody sleep last night. Got so much things in my head, like how are we gonna do that, how are we gonna do this, you know? S54 will not run on a stock E30 fuel pump, so we need to fit this bad boy up. High flow in-tank fuel pump. So kind of a performance fuel pump, yeah. So this is our next job for today.